everyone, this video I will tell you top 5 best ways that could make you rich. I'm not saying that they will, but they could. Top 5 we have is setting up a monthly goal. Now I don't know whether you get weekly salary or monthly salary, but let's say that you get monthly, it doesn't really matter to be honest, and you get paid $2,000, euros, whatever currency you use in your country, once a month. For example, then you make a type of list where you say, okay, I'm gonna spend those items and it's gonna take max 1,000 spending, and because of that you will save at least 1,000 each month, and the other 1,000 will be used for spending and for surviving. That way, this is a good way to save currency, or should I say money. Next up, it's all about saving. On the top 4 we have buying only essential items. Do not, for example, buy something that is not an emergency or something that you cannot live without it, if you know what I mean. Just buy the things that you actually really need to survive. You'll see that really delicious chocolate that costs $10 or wine that costs, I don't know, $50, let's say for example. I don't buy both of those, you already waste $60. So what you actually want to do is buy, as I already said, items to survive, which includes food, clothing, and bills as well. All those things that you basically need to survive. Top 3, keep an eye out for the cheap places, such as cheap stores and everything. For example, USA, Walmart. If you need something from a Walmart, do not get something fancy from the expensive store. Obviously go to Walmart. I know that it's not going to be, but it's all about survival and saving. Well, either way, it depends on which country do you really live in. Because, for example, USA, I'm pretty sure that from what I know, Walmart is pretty cheap. It has really cheap products. And watch out for these kind of stores. Do not go to the expensive stores. Go to the regular stores, like for example the food ones, the grocery. Do not buy the expensive items. Just, I don't know, I guess bread is fine, potatoes. So for this one, you're gonna have to be a little bit creative and think about in which stores you really need to go and which products do you really need to buy. Top 2, save up electricity and water as much as possible. Watch out for the fact that you don't keep any lights turned on. Those things can screw you up. Make sure to always turn off the lights when you leave the room, or any other devices. So just use water whenever needed, for example to wash your hands or to shower. Also do not take like 10 minutes to shower, for example. Top 1, take buses and Ubers to work. And if you don't have a car yet, I do not recommend you to get a car just yet. Not only that the car is pretty expensive, but also you're gonna have to pay car registrations, services, and even to change tires and all the things like this, and they will cost you a lot as well. Basically, that is pretty much gonna wrap it up. It's all about saving. It's all about saving, people. Either way, I also have, I'm not gonna say how much I have because that's private information, but let's just say I have a decent amount, not a lot. I'm not rich, alright, I'm not rich, but I do have, let's say, a decent amount. It's, I guess, something, a few cash on me, but that's because I was saving it throughout all of these years, and because of that I do have at least some cash on me. And either way, if you wanna know more, wanna learn more about this kind of stuff, you can visit financial schools. If you're willing to learn more about saving money, I don't think it is really a way for investing some money for personal finance education. It will also help you then save some money, so that's another way you can learn more, and that's basically all wrap it up. That's all I had to say. If you enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe. Without further ado, I will see you all very soon.